Hello, I am going to show you how to draw in Word. We're going to come up here to the top and click Insert and go to Shapes. I'm just going to pick a line and I'm going to click and put the ends where I want them. I can grab these sizing handles and move those ends around. If you want to format your shape, just right click on it. If you want to make it red, like we've been doing our demand curves, you can do that. You can change the width, make it a little thicker and easier to read. Easy to label your curves if you use a text box. Again, the Insert tab up the top. I'm going to go almost all the way over to the right to this text box. I'll just pick the first style and I'll type D1. Shrink this text box up so it kind of fits around my D1. And then I can grab it by that box and drag it anywhere that I want it to be on the page. I can do the same thing for as many things that I want to label, like my supply one curve. Grab it by that text box line. You got to grab it exactly by that line and it will move for you. Click and drag. And then just keep labeling your stuff. D2. Grab it exactly on the line of the text box and it'll go where you want it to go. That's the easiest way I know to work with these graphs. If you feel the need to insert an arrow to show which way things are shifting, you can surely do that. It's a shape and we normally do green for our shifts. So however you want to format this is fine with me. I just need to see your labels and another curve. It doesn't have to actually curve. It can be a straight line. Good luck.